So we've got another question on factorization here, and in this case we've got 9x squared minus 16y squared, and this is going to be a special kind of factorization known as the difference of two squares. And so whenever we have a difference of two squares, which can be kind of expressed in the general form as a squared minus b squared, we can simplify it just always in the same pattern, which is going to be a minus b in the first bracket, so kind of the square root of the first term minus the square root of the second term, and then we've got a plus b in the second bracket. As this is a pattern we need to be able to spot, and it doesn't always work for anything involving an x squared or a y squared, because we need to make sure that the overall term is something to be squared. So as you can see, not only do we have this x squared and this y squared, we also have this 9 and this 16 as well. So we know that both 9 and 16 are square numbers because they have a square root, which is a whole number. And so we know that the square root of 9 is going to be 3. So our first term is going to be 3x. And then using this a minus b kind of example over here, we can say that the second term is going to be minus 4y because 4 is the square root of 16, and of course y squared just goes down to y. And so hopefully this makes sense. So we just found the square root of 9, the square root of 16, and then we've got our x and our y, which naturally are the square roots of x squared and y squared. And so we're making progress now. We just kind of make the same thing again, except in the second bracket it's going to be a plus instead of a minus, just again using our general formula over here. And so the full factorization of 9x squared minus 16y squared is going to be 3x minus 4y all times 3x plus 4y, and that is going to be fully factorized. So that is going to be it for this question.